When most people think about AI chips, they think about a company like NVIDIA, but the biggest investor story this year has to do with memory. Coming up, we'll explain why and where this market could be headed, so let's dive in to this week's market moves. Okay, if you watch our videos, you'll know we've talked a lot about this massive AI build-out. Heading into the year, the GlobalX team flagged AI infrastructure as a potential multi-year revenue opportunity for chip providers. And as we've rolled through 2026, we've seen some numbers related to that. According to research from our colleagues at GlobalX in the US, the so-called Hyperscalers, the tech companies who run much of the cloud and data center operations that power the internet, they're on track to spend nearly $650 billion US on capital projects this year, with a big chunk of that going into AI data centers. So the build-out could be enormous. Now, all of this creates huge demand for NVIDIA's GPUs, the powerful chips at the heart of AI. But those GPUs need memory to function because AI runs on data, and memory is what moves that data to the chip. So as AI models have gotten bigger, GlobalX has described memory as the new bottleneck. In fact, GlobalX research notes that memory prices surged roughly 246% year over year in 2025, and key memory suppliers are now effectively sold out through this year. So what does that mean for investors? Well, GlobalX research has found that for every dollar spent on AI processing chips, another $1 to $1.50 flows into the surrounding stack. That includes things like advanced packaging, cooling, networking, and memory. So AI hardware is bigger than just GPUs, and it's one of the reasons there's been a huge interest in ETFs such as CHPS, or CHIPS, GlobalX's Artificial Intelligence Semiconductor Index ETF. It goes beyond any one chip maker, giving you exposure to the broader build-out. For more on some of the big market trends to watch, check out the insights section of globalx.ca, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next Market Moves video. See you next time.